Uh-oh. So I had to pull out the camera because right at the end here is a Brabus G-Wagon rocket. Or a Brabus Rocket 700, 900, who knows? Let's find out. But I need you guys to let me know in the comment section if you guys think if this is a real Brabus Rocket. Because there are a lot of fakes out there. It does have a carbon fiber hood. The Brabus logo. It says Rocket right there. And that color, my God. That color is amazing. Look at those wheels with the Brabus logo. Some more carbon fiber. Man. It says Brabus right there. Rocket. It has the spoiler. Some really nice exhaust, also branded. Brabus logo right there. Man, this thing is sick. Now, the only thing is I can't tell if it's a 700 or if it's a 900. Not sure. But this thing is solid. There are some other toys here, like this Gwagon right there. There's also a CO6 and a Cybertruck right there. But yeah, this is the showstopper, and I mean that color is insane. It's a beautiful truck, no doubt. No doubt. That is sick. Let me know in the comment section if you guys think this is a real Brabus or not. Wow, sick truck. Just trying to get all the angles, you know? Beautiful truck.